Disconnect mo muna. I-disconnect mo muna.
Kakanta lang daw siya, walang music.
Okay, go, Taslim. Kanino ka? Ikaw, Chona, dito? Baka mo.
Go, sing.
What? So what will you do?
I want to only? No. What?
No, it's working. It's working.
This to you, as I will finish my contract.
Ah! Farewell message.
Ba't ngayon?
I am proud to working with you all.
Why now later when they are here? Kailan mo siyang... October.
October 1?
1 week.
Oh.
1 week more? Ah, first week. Okay, go.
More cold.
Nilalamig ka pa rin kasi may aircon dito. Wala ka, si Cheryl. Nandun na naman mo naliligo na.
Ayaw nga nagkakape.
Sheena, babe. From this good. Or you?
Ho. Sheena.
Sheena, how much?
Uy, may message daw siya.
Nesto?
Yes, to.
Speak,
Message daw siya.
okay. Oh, sige na, magme-message siya.
890?
Yeah.
90, yeah.
Go, kasi
You know, I am proud for working with you all. It is the first time for me to dealing with other countries. So I came here for the first time. I was very happy. I want to get in deep contact with you, but the job and work taking us from contact to each other. So I am very happy. I am also sad to leaving you.
You can come and visit. You're just here, right? In Taslim. Come and visit.
No. She not another.
Actually, we'll go to another place.
Yeah.
No, 1.5 hour.
Wala rin
Ah,
okay. 1.5 hours.
First time and the
Rest.
last time.
Oh, very near.
Yes.
No?
She can come.
Okay, go.
Did you like?
I want to talk to you about very important thing.
Like important thing like
I
what?
want you only to hearing me and to listening to me, not interrupt. Even if you like my want this or not. Okay?
Pag ito interrupt.
We are all no, maybe not same. We are differentiate in our language, in our nationalities, in our appearance, and even in character.
We are beautiful.
Do not interrupt.
Okay.
Ito naman. Tagalog ka ba?
Continue, Tasmin. Ito. Buka mo ba?
Ay, galiwali.
Pinabasa ko ito.
Galiwali na.
Nagmo? What's that muna?
Worship
This is weird, but
more than
sit
that.
outside long time in the car. There's
It
nothing
is
like
not
that.
reasonable that I worship
I'm prepared to follow.
one God, you worship one God, and other worship other God. It is no doubt that is one God is right and the others is not right. You understand me?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
we have
yeah.
only one God, and
Yeah.
that doesn't
Yes,
divide
yes.
anyone from.
There is no
Yes.
not reasonable that
Should not be
more
the
gods,
reason for us
one
to
God, God
disagree.
creates the heaven,
Don't
one God
interrupt.
creates the earth,
Nagtatanong sa akin.
and the other one creates the jinn and mankind. There is only one God who creates all of this.
Yes.
Allah says in Quran, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, there is one God only. Say He is Allah, who is one. Allah is the eternal food. There is no God except Him, and He neither begins nor is born, nor is there to Him any equivalent. He is one, only one God. Allah said also in Quran, Kareem, the religion in the sight of Allah is only Islam. And if you choose other than Islam as a religion, it's never will be accepted from Him. And He is in the hereafter will be among the losers. Who will assist us in our journey of life, helping us? Who will pray? Who will reward you after you finish your journey here and in the hereafter also?
Sorry.
You know, and we know also there is some people who worship idols. You know, idols.